Hi there, this is Nielsen from Notify, and welcome to this short video walkthrough about how our smart mobile and cloud software helps support safety, health, well-being and sustainability across your organization, particularly on our mission in making 1 billion people around the world healthier and safer at work. You can pick and choose from a range of modules, including incident management, audit and inspections, risk assessments, method statements, action tracking, safety intelligence dashboards, and our services and the support that we provide to you. We can help you capture incidents in seconds using our mobile or web application. We offer further support in customization of your incident reporting, investigation, workflows or email notifications to suit the needs of your sector or how your business works. Whether it's the general public, one of your drivers on the road, or remote field engineers repairing tracks overnight, capturing real-time incidents or events as they happen is super simple. You can quickly categorize the type of incident or event that has occurred. You can tag the location of the incident using our organization structure. Or alternatively, you can use your GPS tracker on your mobile phone. You can even take photos and upload photographic evidence of what has happened. Then quickly review the incident and then effortlessly submit it with one tap of your finger. Our audit and inspection module empowers you to build the reports so your teams can carry out checklists, inspections, assessments and compliance audits on the move. Our powerful form template designer enables you to categorize the type of audit, determine the language preferences and the languages that you want, enable scoring, and RAG status and grades, themes to match your business brand, and create QR codes and posters to create audits quickly, as well as beefing up your audit with your required questions. You can translate the forms into different languages very quickly and preview how they will look in your required language. Empower your teams and mobile workforce to conduct inspections, checklist or compliant audits with our Notify Audits and Inspections mobile app, available on Android and iOS. You can quickly work through the inspection or the audit, completing the questions, navigating through the sections, and also capturing actions and capturing signatures that are geotagged with date and time. Once you've completed the report, you can automatically download it and then send it to either your client or your manager without needing to visit the office. Managing your construction phase plan or method statement is a breeze using Notify. You can work with your teams to complete the information within the form template, which you can design, modify and update. You can review and also sign off and hand over that method statement to your principal contractor. Our handy risk assessment module helps you have a consistent method of recording your safe system of work, keeping track of your hazards and controls, substance properties, as well as mandatory PPE requirements, as well as the handy capability to also sign off and link that record directly back to your method statements or construction phase plan. Notify Safety Intelligence provides the analytics and actionable insight of your health and safety trends across your business. Our new Incident Tracker dashboard gives you a complete overview of incident trends, such as reportable lost time incidents and lost days. You can also quickly get a handle on your year-on-year reportable and lost time frequency rates. The event trends give you a summary of the incident types and the unique incident counts. You can also drill down into the lower level detail of the categorization of the incident. Incident management utilization gives you a month-on-month comparison of all the incident volumes that have come in with a unique trend line of reports. The events leaderboard shows you by region the incident types and again are drillable. If you like what you see and you'd like more information about Notify's mission to make 1 billion people's working life safer around the world, then please get in touch. Thank you for watching.